So here's an update on the 89 Caddy Seville. It's been a long time in coming, but why not? Some of you have asked if I still had the car, and yes, I do. This is a car I probably will not sell just because it's a special piece. I have all the documentation to it, and there's no reason to sell it. So I'll do a once around. I'll show you what I've done. As you can see, I did paint the hood. No more peeling. The rim has a little bit of clear coat. I have to address that. But aside from that, the car really is very nice. So needs a little bit of a cleaning, but not too bad. And I fixed the grill also. So between the grill and the hood, now it's a really nice looking car. So inside, the window switch, I have to fix that. This window switch works, but it's from a newer GM. Therefore, I can't have the bezel in, but it's good enough for now. Wood starting to crack very slightly. The wheel a little bit more worn. I keep the seat covered now. Not too terrible under there. So we'll start her up. And as you can see, 101,837 is the current mileage. Auto dimming. Exhaust has a little bit of a leak. This comes and goes now. It's intermittent. Everything still works. It just doesn't light up all the time, which is fine. Not a big deal. That comes on and goes off intermittently. I'll pop the hood. Again, it's 4.5, not terrible, runs pretty good. That hinge I have to address, which I've noticed is common on these Caddies, these hinges. Like I showed you last time, cars and concepts conversion, which makes this car very red. A little bit of rust over there starting. Let's shut her off. I do have all the magazines from when I road tested the car when it was new. So the Car and Driver from 1988, when they tested this car, see, page 90. See right there, when the car was new with the road test. Have this magazine. Have Motor Trend when they tested the car. See? So that's pretty cool. Back seats aren't bad. And I love too, the lights do not come on if it's daytime. The interior lights only come on at night. Factory alarm still works. Over here, the wood is peeling a little bit too. And it's faded ever so slightly, but it's fine. Still a rare car. I have all the logs and books still. Service manual. My mileage log, I document all the mileage on this car. Seat still isn't bad. And yeah, this is just a quick little update on the car. Just to show that I'm still driving it and upkeeping it. And it needs a tiny bit of things. It needs a tune-up. It needs the exhaust fixed. I tried fixing the information center, but it's still so whatever. It's not crucial. It's still a nice car that you don't see, and by looking at it, you know, it really looks like something very special. So yeah, this was just a quick little update. Open the trunk. I have some junk in there, don't mind it. But I'll open the trunk and show you. I also had a fix on here. The trunk hinge busted on me, so don't mind that. Detailing, Cadillac book, beach chair from when I go to the beach, cassettes, sunshade to protect the dash, and for whatever reason the speakers are not working on here right now. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the amp, but the radio has no sound right now. So if anybody knows or has any inclination to why that might be, I really didn't look into it. But I don't know if it's a connection, if it's a ground, if it's a fuse. You know, maybe it is a fuse. I really didn't look into it. But I do know that the amp broke. See, STS, beautiful car. That's why I paid big bucks for this back in the day. And anyway, yeah, this was just a little update. So I'm signing off for now.